earthquakes, mountains,
volcanoes.
all explained by one theory.
The theory of plate tectonics. The theory deals with the dynamics of Earth's outer layer that it claims is divided into moving pieces. The plate's movements explain what's called continental drift, a process of which the continents move apart. As proposed by Alfred Wegener, 1912, about 200 million years ago, a supercontinent called Pangaea existed, and by time it broke apart into today's continents.
Why should I believe such theories true?
Evidence number 1. Let's say you draw a smiley with a big round red nose. You leave that on your desk and go to sleep. Next morning, you figure your little sibling messed it up. In order to get it back together, you need to check which parts match up, like pieces of a puzzle. Same was done with the continents. South America, for example, fits almost perfectly with Africa. Evidence number 2. However, matching some parts of the drawing doesn't require checking if its edge is matching with another. The big red nose parts can be seen more easily and could be collected to form our image, since it's shared in all the pieces. Like the big red nose, fossils or remains of animals and plants are shared on the edges of continents, implying they were once joined. Evidence number 3. We all love connecting stars in the night sky, forming an elephant, a heart, a smiley, but we don't need to look up, for if we trace the points of volcanic and earthquake activities on Earth, we'll form the plate boundaries. Transform boundaries are formed when two plates move past each other's. The sliding motion causes earthquakes. Divergent boundaries are formed when plates move apart, which causes magma to rise up, then forming new land and mountain ranges. Convergent boundaries occur when two plates move towards each other's. Usually, one plate sinks under the other, giving way for magma underneath to rise up, forming volcanoes. The cause of the movements of the plates is thought to be convection currents in the Earth's mantle, which is the Earth's layer that's between the crust of which we live in and the inner core. Convection currents that take place there are basically cycles of heated materials in the mantle. The materials heat up from the inner core, becoming less dense, making them rise to move the plates, only to cool down, sink down, and repeat the cycle again.
This was Mariam Imam. Thanks for watching.